Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh. Hey, yeah. We're going left there, or right, or
Yeah,
what?
left. And just head towards Cows.
Yeah.
Tell when you're on.
Yeah. Come on, you bastard. Left.
Yep.
Yep, lefty left.
Clear, John?
Yep, all clear.
I said I haven't seen an area yet that looked like a shithole.
Yeah.
Everything seems to be clean and tidy, doesn't it? And well looked after.
Yeah, it does.
As Wick said yesterday, there's no social housing around. It's all
No.
just plush houses.
Oh, there's a bit of social housing on the right, isn't there?
Yeah.
Left.
A little bit.
Ah. See? Turn right. And then when you get to the end of that road we're going on there, you'll come to a junction where there's a hospital right in front of you. We want to go left. But that nav is still down.
Yeah. Fuck's sake.
Have to get a refund of 2 days on the lifetime membership.
Yeah. At the cost of my fridge magnet.
Be strong.
Must be a Roman road.
Oh, look at it.
Yeah.
Roman straight. John's just unsticking his ball bag off the inside of his leg. Just above the knee.
The Optals.
Capital.
There's a filter lane to the left there.
Didn't fancy the red light. Fucking hell.
Come on, mate.
John's almost falling off because he's laughing so.
Oh, fucking hell.
Yeah, it, claim an exemption.
Go, 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 go.
What red light?
But give ways on the Isle of Wight.
Oh, you got that on camera?
Oh, yes. Yep.
Gotta go back.
That'll be forwarded on to the Isle of Wight Constabulary.
I see.
That's what I like to see, more social housing. Finding it all now.
It's our equivalent of Guantanamo Bay, isn't it? Chuck on the Isle of Wight.
Oh, look at it. BMW there. That twat could do absolutely anything. There you go. Look at him. Can't wait to get out. Look. Oh, my God. You know, when they said that they'd found a lot of fossils and Jurassic skeletons over here, I didn't know most of them were driving BMWs. Yeah,
That's
mate,
exactly
you come on
what
out.
That's exactly what I do on my bike. Just like, I don't want to stop. That's why you take so many more risks on that, because it's much more hard work to get going again.
Red light.
Yeah, Mike. What was that song?
It's just a guide, isn't it?
Who sung that? Who
Ticket
sung
Way.
that song, Colourblind? That could be your signature tune, eh? What's the old spotlights like, Ash? Do they light up quite well? He's in his own world again, isn't he?
What's that?
I said, what's these spotlights look like? Do they get noticed much?
Yeah. Look in my mirror and I think, what a
Should be on a GS.
seen every flag apart from the bloody Union Jack. Norwegian, Italian.
The Isle of Wight have a flag.
Do they?
I don't know. Do they?
No.
Well, Dorset does, so I imagine.
Yeah, it could
Hampshire
do,
one,
shouldn't
wouldn't
it?
it? This is still classed as
yeah,
Hampshire,
maybe.
is it? Old Ash with his bottle of piss fucking bungee strapped on the top of his back.
Well, at least I haven't got any bin bag.
Floating bridge.
Floating, oh yeah.
It's just like being on sandbank.
Yeah, it's a chain
Exactly.
one. They call it a floating bridge, but it's a chain one. We better check we can pay with card. You're bound to, aren't you, with code?
It will play now.
So I won't be able to turn around here. This looks like a fast gear manoeuvre.
You say walk it in gear, did you? What did you say to me?
Try and go 2 abreast.
Oh, okay, cheers.
No, Mike says, I'll stop right in the middle.
That ain't gonna fit there.
That'll be alright then. That's all he wants.
Sorry. Alright.
You alright?
Okay.
Well, I suppose we'll have a photo, really, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
Got a photo on the ferry.
Yeah, let's get it on. That's flashing, isn't it?
Yeah. Whack the drone up.
Yeah, it should have followed us across.
Shut the drone up. Did you book a cabin? Did you book a cabin?
Junka, 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 junka.
Yeah, I thought we can't not come to the Isle of Wight and do another ferry.
Yeah, definitely not.
John's going into artistic mode again. Is that the chain coming out?
Yeah.
Oh, is that?
Going all artsy fartsy, and now he's interested.
So, does the boat pull itself along the chain then, or are the chains there just to keep it on its...
Yeah, it pulls itself. Yeah. Well, at least the Swanage one does. It's got a little
Oi,
tunnel
fuck
with
me,
it.
the front's down already.
Off we go.
You want to head towards fish... Or is it freshwater? Not freshwater. Anyway, head towards Ryde.
Okay.
Camera's on now?
No.
No. Okay.
I mean what is?
We can do in a minute, can't we? We'll pull
I
over...
just
off-
don't want to miss any good
off.
stuff. If we're just in the town.
This thing ain't going to start.
Oh no.
Why not?
I don't know whether the battery in the key is weak.
I've got spares.
Yeah, the
Need it.
battery in the key must be weak.
You want to get a normal key to
Yeah.
Yeah, see,
Yeah.
I've got a question mark with a key up on the dash now. So I reckon
You've got the
the
same battery size as mine, and I've got a couple of spares.
Have you?
Oh, Ash.
Cheers.
Yes, Luke.
I bet some cars come on there and rip their front valance off.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Let's pull over here.
Yeah.
Sort of ferry lane, eh?
Oh, yeah, it is, isn't it?
Red funnel post for going back.
Must be desperate. We want to go there. But...
Yeah. That's it.
I wasn't listening.
It's not like you, not listening.
Oh, it's Waitrose, they probably won't.
No, they're all right then.
Yeah.
They're right.
Yeah.
I'll look out for petrol.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure everyone on the way.
I nearly did a John then.
Got T-bone.
Good use of the old chain ferries, that chains off the ferry over to the right.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Left up here then.
Newport Ryde. Ryde, Sally, Ryde.
Wherever we are, it can't be much more than 40 minutes away, can we?
What do you think so?
Not even that, mate. It's only 11 miles across.
Depends if you can give way at roundabouts and junctions. Pay attention to red lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's even quicker then.
That's the pussy.
Yo.
God, look at these gaffs.
Yeah, bit of money there.
Very nice. But I think the whole of the Isle of Wight got some money in it. Ah, there it is. Council flats. That's what we
Yeah.
like.
There's Chapley.
Now I feel at home. I'm starting to feel all inferior.
That's all fun, eh? Here we go, fuel.
There you go.
Oh, fuck.
It's just an almighty scream, isn't it? Bar!
Bar. Is it this way? Yeah.
Right.
Sorry, this way, yeah.
Lefty, lefty.
Nationals!
No.
You fucking banned. Oh, what a cock.
What a twat. Right, we're gonna go on the pier, but it's paid parking on the pier. You can actually drive right to the end.
Oh, I say.
I say, a bit of water.
That Portsmouth. We turned it off. Yay!
Yeah, we'll be
Hey.
Hallelujah.
Esplanade to the right as well, isn't it? Yeah. So.
If you see the signs for the ferry, the pier, sorry, that's what we want.
Right. I am not knowing. Must be down to our left. Must be down to our left though, somewhere.
Yeah.
Assuming that the beach is lower than this thing. What we have here, chaps, is what's known as a bug fight.
I see the pier.
Oh,
Oh, it's the Spinnaker Tower
There's
there.
your
as well.
Spinnaker Tower look, over there, see it?
oh yeah.
Ugh.
Makes every jump when he does that, doesn't he?
fuck are you nodding like a dog?
I've got music.
Churchill the dog.
Oh,
They got music on.
Yeah. Nice tells me off when I have my music on though, because I listen even less than is
Yeah.
normal. I go from 10% listening skills to like 5.
Oh, Mustang
Yeah.
in a sort of pastel blue. That's what I like about Porsche drivers. Cool.
Aha, he's going in there.
He's reversing in.
Buddy! Where are we going there?
Right, follow it round
Round to the right.
and then round to the left. In the left lane.
Left there then,
Yeah.
I guess. Fuck me.
Oh,
Weight limit.
Now 3-ton weight limit. I'll wait here for you.
How strange this is.
Gotta make sure this camera's on. That's it. Have a look, John.
But this is fun in the wet.
Yeah.
Frost red.
Yeah. It's just spin up nicely, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
No, 10-mile-an-hour limit, and they got average
Yeah.
speed cameras on here apparently.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have
yeah,
they?
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I
Yeah,
ain't gonna
look, on the
catch up.
post you'll see the cameras pointing down at you.
Good thing there's a traffic light here.
Well, yeah, we ain't gonna see that, are we? Not stop there for 5 minutes.
You're bloody.
It's good though, isn't it, that you can actually drive out the end
Yeah.
of the hill.
Yeah, I'm amazed in this country.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's
safety.
It's far too dangerous, mixing with pedestrians.
My rear tyre's gonna love this.
Yeah.
But the train's closed.
10 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think there's like a miniature railway that runs across there.
There's a hovercraft there, look, coming over.
Oh yeah, to the right.
Oh yeah, yeah. See 'em, yeah.
But when we go back, we come out of here and go left, and then take almost, I think it's the first or second left, and then that brings us in over there, and you can park up actually virtually where they come in.
See what she had for dinner last night.
Yeah.
Say that again, no, sorry, matey was waving at me.
When we come back off of here, we
Yeah.
go round to the left along the thing, and then you'll see like for a car park.
Oh
If
yeah,
you pull
yeah.
in there and right round to the left of the car park, you can pull up and look at where the hovercrafts
Yeah.
come in and out. Because they're
Okay.
regular as clockwork, isn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But there needs to be a decent coffee shop somewhere. I'm gonna tell someone.
I think there's a cafe at the end of here.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's the speed cameras there on the posts.
yeah, yeah.
See?
I'll have a look to the left.
We said that last time, didn't we? Yeah, all right. Yeah, there's a sign here. What does that say?
Oh.
Can't see. There we go. Let's read this a minute. Pay and display.
Vehicles must be parked within the road. Vehicles can not parked. This is a play version just not private.
Because it's £100 fine if you don't.
I'll go and scout the area for MC bays whilst you read. Right,
Yeah.
there's motorcycle bays there.
Ah,
Is there?
Found it. Found them.
Right.
Yeah, go right to the end there. Look, I can all squeeze in there.
It's John's camera. Beep, beep, beep,
About
beep,
as
beep,
tight as we
beep.
can go there, isn't it?
Yeah, you're good there.
You gonna get out?
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I can get around here as well.
That's lovely.
Ash has arrived. Smash.
I came in like a wrecking ball. Pay the fine.
Yeah, they can. This is private.
Yeah, but you just don't pay it. They don't do anything. I've done it loads of times. I've literally done it loads of times.
I'll tell you what.
Threatening letters, you just bin them.
We're not paying, but if we get a fine, you can pay them.
Yeah.
Oh no, not. Yeah, you just got to ignore them.
Nah. For the sake of £2.30, I'll pay that.
Well, we'll ask the lady in there.
I love it in Ash World. Everything's roses.
Until it's not.